There exists a stereotype that all fats are bad for you. This is a stereotype that is frequently misunderstood. Some fats and oils are good for your body and which are necessary for a healthy lifestyle. The trick is to stay away from bad fats, like saturated fats and trans fats, and to include healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Welcome. This channel aims to help you become more informed and improve your health and fitness endeavors. As you stay tuned, you'll discover new and quickly noteworthy hints that will enable you to achieve your health and wellness objectives. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification bell to get informed whenever a video is being released. So, let's get right into it. There are 4 types of fats: monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, saturated fats, and trans fats. Monounsaturated fats are extremely rich in vitamin E and have been proven to be the best and healthiest fat that we can intake. This type of fat lowers both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, the bad kind. Most types of nuts, canola and olive oil are rich in monounsaturated fats that also increase HDL cholesterol, which is the good cholesterol. Polyunsaturated fats are as an essential element in our diet because polyunsaturated fats include a special family of essential fatty acids, which the human body cannot manufacture itself. Corn, soybean, safflower, cottonseed oils, salmon, mackerel, sardines, and swordfish are high amounts of polyunsaturated fats. Eating fish with omega-3 in moderation is extremely healthy and very good for the heart. Like monounsaturated fats, these fats lower both total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, as well it boosts HDL cholesterol. Saturated fats, usually found in whole milk, butter, cheese, ice cream, red meat, chocolate, and all produce of coconuts, raises the total blood cholesterol and boost the bad cholesterol. Saturated fats are the most unhealthy fat. Lipid and caution must be taken as to the extent to which it is consumed. Since our body produces its saturated fats, it is completely unnecessary to add any more saturated fats to our system. Trans fats, also called hydrogenated fats, are an artery's worst nightmare. Trans fats are a man-made fat that is produced when fats in food are hydrogenated. This is done to prolong the shelf life of the food. Trans fats are sometimes even more detrimental to cholesterol levels than saturated fats because they raise bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol. Trans fats can be found in most kinds of margarine, partially hydrogenated vegetable oil, deep-fried chips, almost all fast foods, and most commercial baked goods. The type of fats that one eats plays a key role in determining cholesterol levels. Polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats play a key role in improving your good cholesterol levels, while saturated and trans fats will increase your bad cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is made by the liver and is used to transport proteins throughout the body, through the bloodstream. Having an excess of bad cholesterol can lead to the blockage of arteries, which in turn can result in serious heart problems. As such, it is important to limit the consumption of saturated and trans fats. Eating food, like salmon, that contains good fats, while limiting food, like chips, that contains bad fats is the key to controlling your cholesterol levels. It is very easy to eat the proper amount of fats to maintain a healthy lifestyle. For example, when cooking you should try to use virgin olive oil instead of coconut oil, palm oil or vegetable shortening. When grocery shopping, try to decrease or eliminate purchasing packaged foods and always be sure to read food labels to avoid foods that may contain trans fats or a high amount of saturated fats. Other ways of controlling your fat intake would be to drink skim milk instead of whole milk, trim visible fats from all meat products, and minimize your intake of processed foods. When eating out in restaurants, avoid deep-fried foods since many restaurants use hydrogenated oils, which contain trans fats, in their fryers. Moreover, most deep-fried foods are high in saturated fats. More health and wellness tips would be discussed in our next video. So, if you enjoyed the video, drop your comments in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now it's the time to do so and turn on the notification bell to get informed whenever a video is being released.